All Christmas it has rained, and I come to find the Thames has spilled across the fields, spreading a broad glaze of sky and trees above the ground. Twigs shimmer in the whisper of a breeze. Out where leafless poplars mark the overflowing banks, the water proceeds with a drowning vengeance, uprooting willows, tangling the Weir with their detritus. Water voles forsake their holes. A heron points the long blade of his bill toward sanctuary, flies trigger-necked to the churchyard, and balances open-winged on the apex of a yew. Locks for narrowboats are whirlpools of angry water. But here, all frenzy is at a distance, and beneath the surface of this sudden lake, slow, bewildered fishes glide above the grass.